Most people will never get rich, not because they're lazy, but because they're playing a rigged game. From the moment you're born, you're taught to follow the rules. But what if those rules were designed to keep you in the trap? From the moment you're born, you're trained to trade time for money. Go to school, get a job, work 40 hours a week, and maybe retire at 65 if you're lucky. But here's the brutal truth. The system was never designed to make you rich. It was designed to keep you working. You were conditioned to believe that the 9-to-5 grind was the only way to survive. But ask yourself, is this really living? Poor people focus on saving. The rich, they focus on earning. Poor people avoid risks. The rich, they manage them. It's not just about money, it's about how you think. You've been taught to fear failure, but millionaires, they chase it because each failure teaches them what school never could. The true wealth comes from mindset, from the willingness to step outside the box and embrace uncertainty. The rich don't just play the game, they change it. Escape starts with one decision. You either build your own system or stay trapped in someone else's. Step 1, start a side hustle. Find a skill you can monetize, something that leverages your time more efficiently than a traditional job. Step 2, learn high-income skills. You don't need a degree, you need the right skill set. Coding, digital marketing, design, and sales are just a few examples of skills that can make you valuable in today's world. Step 3, invest what you earn. The rich don't keep their money, they make it work for them. Start small with investments, whether it's stocks, real estate, or even building your own business. Step 4, surround yourself with growth-oriented people. You're the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. If you want to escape the rat wreck. None of this happens without self-discipline. The rich wake up early, stay focused, and make sure they're always improving. They read books, they learn, and they don't waste time on distractions. Self-discipline is the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. You have to control your impulses, delay gratification, and keep your eyes on the prize. The key to wealth is learning the art of delayed gratification. While the majority of people are focused on short-term pleasures, buying the latest gadgets or going out every weekend, the rich are stacking their assets for the future. Wealth is not just about how much you make. It's about how much you keep and how long you're willing to wait for the reward. You have to be willing to sacrifice today for a better tomorrow. Most will scroll away and do nothing. But if you're still watching, you're not most people. If you want to change the course of your life, it starts with a single action. Make the decision right now. Subscribe to Be Smart Investor and never think the same way again.